Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create or add a straight line in Paint 3D. So if you want to do it, you need to move your cursor to the upper side, and after that you need to click on 2D shapes. Now you need to select from the line and curve line, and then you will be able to create a line. Before you do it, I recommend you to press and hold Shift from your keyboard, and then you need to press and hold left mouse button. Then you will be able to add here a straight line. So for example, I will create it here, and of course you can modify thickness, you can modify sticker opacity of this object, everything depends on your preferences, and you can move your line to the position or location where you want to set it. Sometimes you may need to rotate this line, so you can click on this one option to rotate it to the left, or click on this one option to rotate it to the right. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.